Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to Bornok the Fisherman. I'm drop shotting again here at the whirlpool, and I'm with my brother today, and there's a lot of guys fishing here already, and let's find out later if we will catch nice fish. Thank you for watching Bornok the Fisherman. Guys, bass. Huli tayo ng bass. Small mark. That's good. This is a good size bass. Right. Alright guys, this is our first bite. It's a good size bass, and we're drop shotting here at the whirlpool. Alright, it's around maybe more than 12 inches. Alright, okay guys, I'm gonna tell you a little secret in fishing here in the whirlpool. If you are fishing here, for sure you will be snagged because there's a lot of rocks and weeds on the bottom of this water. So once you throw your line into the water, you don't need to keep on reeling. Once you throw it, let your sinker sink all the way to the bottom, and wait for some time. If in a few minutes you didn't get any bite, that's the time to reel it in. But if you're getting a bite, just wait for the fish to pull it totally before reeling it in. So that's number one secret here. Okay guys, got a fish. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Okay, we got a fish here. Whoa. Yo, it's big. Whoa, this is a big bass. Alright. It's a big bass, guys. Wow. Alright. We got a big bass. Alright guys, we got a big bass. My second fish. It's a big bass. Guys, I'm going to release this. This is around 10 inches, but it's a little bit small. Okay, here. Yung mga ano natin. Taga saan kayo?
Dito ba?
Oo.
Brampton.
Brampton sila. Oh, kayong lahat?
Yeah.
Ayan, nagpi-fishing din sila. Gusto raw nilang makita yung nahuli natin. Nandun sa kwan, sige hilahin mo. Ayan. Anong pangalan nyo? Anong pangalan nyo? Anong pangalan nyo?
Sam, Stella po.
Estela, ikaw?
Sam.
Oh, tapos sila.
Hatchan, Tito Iggy.
Oh, okay. Sige.
Tatlo
At
ba?
ipopos natin. Nandito yung isa sa bangko. Patay na.
Ay.
Oh, sige. Mag-fishing muna kayo. Okay, okay. Ang balinay? Natiliwon ko na ito yan. Ini bulos ka. Bulos mo?
Basit mo na.
Ha?
Basit mo na.
Yeah, basit. Guys, we caught a small bass and I'm going to release it back so that it will grow more. Okay. Here. Pahiramin natin ng pamingit si ano. Anong pangalan mo ulit? What's your name again? Yeah? Oh, okay. Ito, meron akong isang pamingit dito. Kasi yung pamingit niya walang reel. So, pahiram ko muna ito. Ito, hawakan mo dito. Sarapin ba ito? Pero pag hindi mo kaya sa bato ba? Ewan ko ah. Lagyan kita ng isang worm. Okay. So, hawakan mo dito, ganyan. Ito. Tayo mo muna. Hawakan mo ganyan. Pag binato mo, sabay bitaw ito. Pero ganyan muna, hawakan mo. Hawakan mo talo. Hawakan mo. Ako sa bato mo, sabay bitaw sa talo. Pero huwag mong binawan mo. Yan yung pamalo. 1, 2, 3. Yan, ako kasara mo. Pag may humila, gaganon mo lang oh. Baba mo konti. Sabay ganon. Maliit? Oo, okay na to. Ha? Another one, guys. Insa mul na duwang ahok. Duwang ahok, insa mul na. Okay, guys. Another bass. Okay. Na pa nga to, ibabam di talim. Sideways. Sideways, sideways. Hindi ka na, mas likat to. Ito, red doors. Red doors. Red doors. Red doors yun, yung matinik. Pero pwedeng kainin, kaya lang matinik. Release mo. Dahil babamlatan. Wow. Ang ako. Babam lang, babam. Babam, amo pagpalagto niya. Ha? Madi, niiwat tatay ng limag to, lumundag.
Ito man ito kilometer. Mga pag-iikat ko dyan.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Alright, another one. It's a bass. Okay guys, that's it for our fishing today. We've caught a lot of bass, and we brought home some of them, and some of them which are small, so we just release it. Thank you again for watching Born of the Fisherman. Thank you, bye bye.